In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create heat maps with pivot tables in Looker Studio. Start by heading to lookerstudio.google.com and open Looker Studio in your browser. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your account. This ensures you can create and save reports without losing your work as you go. Create a blank report. You may be prompted to select a data source here. Choose the dataset you want to analyze, such as website analytics, sales records, or any table that has dimensions and metrics. If you're unsure which fields to use, keep an eye out for one or two dimensions to group by and at least one numeric metric you'll visualize. With your blank canvas ready, go to the Insert menu at the top. From the chart options, select Heat Map, click and drag on the canvas to place it. In the right-hand panel, under the Data tab, assign the dimension or dimensions you want to compare, and then select the metric you want the color to represent, like sessions, revenue, or count of records. The goal is to let color communicate intensity, so higher values should look visually distinct from lower ones. Adjust the heat map to make it meaningful. In the Style panel, fine-tune the color scale so the gradient is easy to read. Pick a palette with enough contrast and consider reversing the colors if that reads more naturally for your audience. Tweak labels and value display so viewers can see exact numbers on hover or in cells, and adjust sorting to bring the most important segments into view. Resize the chart to give the cells room to breathe, and add brief titles or descriptions to clarify what the colors mean. Next, return to the Insert menu and choose Pivot Table. Draw it on the canvas. Pivot tables help you summarize data by rows and columns, so set your rows to the primary grouping, your columns to the comparison grouping, and drop your metric into the values section. Choose the aggregation that makes sense, like sum, average, or count, depending on your question. Adjust the pivot table for readability and insight. Turn on color or heat map style cell shading in the style settings to quickly highlight high and low performers across the grid. Add row and column totals if they help tell the story, and sort by the metric to surface trends. Clean up number formatting, rename fields for clarity, and apply filters to focus on key segments or date ranges. Finally, resize and align both the heat map and pivot table so the layout feels balanced and easy to scan. That's it, you've built a clear color-driven view with a pivot table and a heat map in Looker Studio.